Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And this video, we are in the early part of October 2020, and I want to provide this video as an update on what's going on at the San Diego Superior Court, particularly if you or a loved one have a pending criminal court case. Where we're at right now is the court sort of unveiled three phases. Phase 1 being September, Phase 2 being October, Phase 3 being November, with the hopes by the end of November that at least the courts at least processed all these matters that were supposed to have court from mid-March when the court shut down for those 2 weeks, all the way April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So at least everyone has had some check-in appearance and then they know when their next court date is. So where we're at right now in October is these are cases that have readiness conferences, preliminary hearings, no trial date set just yet, or cases where people have actually been convicted and there's review hearings. So we're going through a lot of those. I actually did 3 of those earlier today. Had my video equipment set up for Microsoft Teams court appearances, so I figured let's do a video about Phase 2, but most importantly Phase 3. Phase 3 is going to be starting in November, and Phase 3 are for people who have not had a court appearance yet. So you've been arrested or you've been cited and you were given a court date, whether your court date was in March, whether your court date was in April, May, June, all the way through November. And we know for sure that the city attorney or the district attorney has filed criminal charges against you. Well, you're going to fall into this Phase 3 range. And what that means is you or your attorney, if anyone knows who your attorney is at such an early stage in the game, will be notified by the court, maybe the prosecutor, maybe someone from the defense bar. It's kind of up in the air how that's working, okay? But you're going to get notified, or someone should be getting notified, hey, you have a court appearance, that's going to be your arraignment. You enter a not guilty plea, you set new court dates a little while down the road. The court will have walk-up court, where you could walk into a courtroom, usually on the ground floor of any of the courthouses, whether in Vista, El Cajon, South Bay, or downtown. You'll be beamed into video into another courtroom where the judge will be. District attorney will likely be in his or her office. Your defense attorney could either be there with you, or you could go to your defense attorney's office. In most instances, like what we've been doing, we have our clients come to our office, and that way the two of us are on that Microsoft Teams chat together. And that's how things are going to work. So you want to make sure that you know as much as possible what's going on with the courts, making sure you don't miss a court appearance, making sure that if you've hired an attorney, that he or she is up on top of these things, because it could really hurt your case if they're not. And if they are on top of it, it could possibly help your case considerably, because your attorney in the law firm that represents you knows how to handle these matters in this new COVID world. I don't think we will ever see the San Diego Superior Court in the way that we did before March. And it's important first to hire a law firm and have a law firm defending you that understands that accepts it, and not only accepts it as pivoting and rolling with the change and being at the forefront of the change to be able to best protect you, their client. So if you have any questions about your pending criminal case in San Diego County, and particularly in state court, feel free to give my office a call at 619-295-3555.